Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That was a long period of time. I was procrastinating to film this video. Um, I don't want to find excuses. This is the reason why I was procrastinating. This is the reason why I was taking it off. Because no matter what I say, there is you know, every time when I say something which is sounds logical in my mind, but then I review the video like 1 hour, 15 minutes or 1 hour later after filming this video and posting it on YouTube. I post it and I see myself saying some kind of things which I don't really believe in. Not like a long time after, it's just 1 or 2 hours later. I watch myself, I hear what I'm saying. I'm like, what is that? You was too hungry, too tired, too busy. What you're talking about, bro? That's why, just being honest with you, I was procrastinating. I understand my weaknesses and I understand, and I'm not trying to pretend that I'm super productive. And I'm not trying to pretend that I'm super rich because, I mean, Alhamdulillah, relatively to some people, um, I'm richer, and probably you are on the other side of the camera if you have internet and device to get to the internet, through which you are getting to internet. You are probably richer than you know some people. There is nothing wrong with that. Just use the opportunities which God gave to you. Okay, today is Wednesday, February 7. Right now, when I'm filming this video, it's 3 p.m. Um, so far, yesterday, I don't know, kind of was tough day. Again, some kind of excuse, right? I didn't, uh, you know, there is a lot of things which happened. If you was watching all those videos, um, yeah, there's a lot of things happened. Like in one same day, I closed the client. I woke up that day at like 6 a.m. I was like, you know, I fall asleep. All these things which happened in one single day. There was a lot of information to proceed. Even if you watch the 1,000, subscribers, video, you can see me being tired. And because of me, like being so tired, I'm like, yeah, I'm not like even, I mean, I said Alhamdulillah, just, I mean, I wasn't, when I was 100, 200 subscribers, 300 subscribers, when I had like 300 subscribers, I was expecting myself, you know what, when I'm gonna hit 1,000 subscribers, I am gonna scream. I'm gonna be, wow, I'm gonna be so happy. But you never know what kind of day you are gonna hit this milestone. And I'm not, like, how to say that, complaining about anything. It's just, it is what it is. Yesterday I DM'd on Instagram only 3 or 4 people out of 50 I was planning to. Today I already DM'd 7 or 10 people out of 50 I'm planning to DM today also. After recording this video, I'm gonna be probably reading Quran, the English translation. Then I'm gonna read Atomic Habits. Then after reading Atomic Habits, I am gonna DM some people and apply for work. Recurring revenue, money which is coming to your hands every month. This is something very different than money which is, per project. I'm trying. That's why I'm trying to make as best website as I can, so I can raise the prices because, you know, let's say my goal to make $1,000 per month, right? And I got clients every 3 months. So why I don't charge one single client $3,000 instead of $1,000? And next 3 months I'm not gonna be able to find a client. I am freaking okay because I already have made $3,000. And if you split $3,000 between 3 months, you're gonna be making $1,000 every month, which is about 5 times larger than the average salary in my country. Not not 5 times. It's already 3 times. Like it was before when it was like 2015, 2018, average salary in Asia was about $200. And even most of you guys are watching from Pakistan and India. Um, I don't quite remember, but you know, the average salary in both of these countries are definitely, when I checked last time, was less than $400. It was like 380 in India or something, like 300 in Pakistan, and in my country is $320 average salary a month. So if you are making $1,000, this is about at least twice the amount of salary which is average person, which is about 20 to 24 years old, graduated from freaking university or college, got a job, and works a normal job from 9 to 5, and this man is doing $500, $400 a month, and you, my friend, are doing $1,000 every month. Let's make, I know might sound not inspirational. Oh, $10,000. Why not $10,000? Bro, you don't deserve $10,000 yet. Let's be honest. You didn't suffer it enough yet. You can't charge your client $30,000 per website yet. You are not at that level yet, my friend. You can't make. Most of you guys are not making $500 or $1,000 every single month. How to say that? Recurring. Not necessarily recurring from one single client, but every freaking month you're doing good amount of money to provide for your mom and yourself at least. I can very confidently say most of you are not doing as much money. Like there was one guy which said in comments that said me I think it was DM message. He said, I'm making $500 every month. There was one single guy out of so many of you who DM'd me. Most of you are not making $1 a month, and there is nothing wrong with it. I am not. I didn't made any money in January 2024. On December, I didn't made any money. Yeah. The last time I closed the client was, I think, in July 2023. It might sound horrible, but you know what? Alhamdulillah, first of all. Second, I'm proud of myself. Even if it's not working out. Why? You know why? Because you don't control the result. Again, I'm proud of myself because when I wasn't closing clients for months and months and months in a row, what did I do? First of all, what I didn't did was quit. I didn't quit. So I can be already proud of myself that I'm still in this business and still DMing people every day and still recording video every day and still trying to do something and still in this same business as if I was in 2023. I'm not quitting. It's been a year. I have closed already 2 clients last year. But most of you are, if you would have been on my place, you would have quit. And there is nothing wrong with it because I have done same. I started doing all these service-based businesses when I was 15 years old. Starting from Photoshop designs, like literally making graphic designs for people. And it is still a good business, by the way. People still need packaging. People still need beautiful packaging of their products. It's just still good business, but I decided to quit it when I was 15. I did a business for 3 months. I was trying to get a client for 3 months in a row. And what did I did? I quit it like a loser. I focused on YouTube after quitting that business. I was doing YouTube on background while I was doing this graphic design business. But then after quitting that business, I had nothing to do other than focusing on YouTube. I had YouTube channel at the time, and I did pretty good. I was focusing mainly on YouTube, and I was doing good views and more subscribers. And this is something which you usually expect if you focus your 100% attention on one thing. But then in summer, same year, when I was 15 in the beginning of the summer. I was born in the July, so the June, which is first month of the summer, I was 15. In the August, which is last month, August, is it August? I'm not really good with months. Okay, you get it. The last month of the summer, I was already 16 years old, right? The first half of the July also I was 15, and yeah, I mean you get it. From YouTube, I switched mainly to what? I got into internship in as a web developer into company. So I go from making a video every day to making one video a week on YouTube. That's why I'm saying you, I'm proud of myself. I learned a lot of lessons from quitting so many businesses that I got to the point in my life that I realized that I could have just stick to one single business for next 5 or 10 years and make the shit work. Because if you are quitting all the time, not solving the problems which are popping up in every freaking business which I'm facing with, because you're gonna struggle to find clients in any kind of business. Like, think about it. You're gonna struggle to find clients for your video editing agency, for your SMMA, web design, whatever, graphic design. It doesn't really matter. Even if you are making computers like Apple, I don't care if you're whatever, a clock company. My clock is right here. I don't care if you're a clock company. You will need to find a way to find clients. And that is what making me to jump from one business to another, because I wasn't, I faced one issue and I'm like, fuck, I don't know how to deal with it. Let me go to another business. Okay, whatever. I got into a call. Today is Wednesday. I got on a call with this guy is not an entrepreneur, but he is a professor at a university. So he wrote a book and he would like to make a website for the book which he wrote. I said, okay. There is one single issue which I'm facing right now, is that the web designer. I need to deal with this. I need to deal with a web designer, because I had a web designer, in my previous projects, but he quitted the agency, decided to do something else. Now I need to find somebody else instead of him, inshallah. And yep. Okay. There is web designer issue. Okay. First of all, do you understand that it is day 40 and I already got 2 clients? not got, but was on a call with two clients in a row. Tuesday, I got on a meeting with one client, Tim Jenkins, Mr. Tim Jenkins, very good, nice guy. Uh, and this Mr. right here is Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Is it Tuesday? How to pronounce it? Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. I mean, you get it. Whatever. Okay, I'm just wasting your and my time. Um, what we're gonna do today? Same shit, same boring shit. We're gonna DM some people. We're gonna apply to work at some kind of tech company. Maybe let's see if it will work out or not. We're gonna read Quran and we're gonna read Atomic Habits. We're gonna record the video, which I'm doing right now. I got a call with a client, alhamdulillah. And guess what? We're gonna do tomorrow. Same shit. We're gonna still apply to work. We're gonna still apply. We're gonna still DM people. We're gonna still read books every day. I mean, there are certain things which are changing. Like, one day I'm doing Chinese lessons, one day I'm doing Arabic lessons. But most of the time, I'm just repeating one thing again and again and again and again. This is very boring. That's why I'm kind of sharing more about myself and what happened on the day. Because I want you to at least, if I can make these videos a little bit more entertaining, let me do it. Okay, peace.